Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page for your business. So if you are a freelancer or a business owner and you want to create a website or a landing page for your offline business, then this video is a complete guide how you can create your first website. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to using these two tools. First one is ChatGPT and another one is Claude. So we are going to use these two tools to create our first landing page. We will use ChatGPT to create our business logo and the prompt, and we will use Claude to create a website for us. Now let's get started and create it. First of all, I will just go to ChatGPT and here I will say I want to create a website for my business, or you can just describe your business name. Just let me ask it to do it. I want to create a website for my gym called Fit Zone. So give me a detailed prompt to create it. So as you can see, I just told about my business, but my business is, and you can explain more. Like if you are doing in something manufacturing or anything else, you can just describe what you do and it will give you a detailed prompt. You can say I just said I want to create a website for my gym called Fit Zone. So give me a detailed prompt to create it, and it gives me the complete detailed prompt. And here you can see create a modern professional high converting website for a fitness center called Fit Zone. Target people is 18 to 45 who want to improve fitness. Use a dark modern theme with bold typography, strong visuals, and smooth animations. Primary color should include black, dark gray, and neon green or orange accents to create a powerful gym aesthetics. So you can just copy this prompt, or you can see we have the complete website structure. I will just copy all of this and I will just go to Claude now and will paste this. Now I will just send this. If you don't know anything about coding, you can keep the settings to default. But if you have some knowledge about AI or stuff, you can try with different models available there, like Sonnet 4.5. You have like Opus 4.6, which is for paid. But you can just stick with the default one and just click on this send button. Meanwhile, this is creating website for us. We can just go back to ChatGPT and say to create a logo for our brand as well. So for now, I will keep the brand color same. So I will just say keep the brand color same and create a logo for it as well. So I just told it to create a logo for it too, but you can just describe your brand color, so it will create a logo for you. So it will create a image, like you can say creating image. Meanwhile, if we go to the Claude, you can see it's currently like generating a website CSS. So this process will take like 5 or 6 minutes to build your complete website. And if we go to ChatGPT, you can see this image is like about to done. So we can just wait here about for a couple of seconds and this image will be done too. And if we go to the Claude again to see, it's currently still generating the website. So as you can see here, our logo is ready. You can see Fit Zone Gym, and if we go to the website, it's still building. So now next step is you want to upload this logo to your website. For that, you can just search for any image uploader, like search for upload image and get link, and you will be redirected to these some website. Just open any of these, like I will open the first one, and here I will upload this logo. Just save this as image and just upload the logo here. I will just upload it, and this will give you a link that you can say to Claude that this is my logo, just add it to my website. So I will just copy this link and we will tell Claude to upload the logo to our website. So it's currently generating the CSS, so we can just wait until it's generated our complete website. Then we will prompt it what we want to make changes. So I think our website is almost done. It's currently like writing the gallery section code. So I think it's probably gonna complete this website in next 5 or 10 seconds. And it automatically also fetching images from the internet and adding to our website. Here you can see it also added like address and complete details. Anyways, you can change these details like address, phone number. This is just the dummy details. You have to edit everything once the website is ready, like to your phone number, address, email addresses, and if even the images, you can add your complete gym image or business image. So you can see it's now completed. So it will start give you a preview on the right side, and then you can download the code, or you want to any make changes, or if you want to make any changes, you can just tell it to make changes. Like we are going to say to upload a logo. So you can see it's now done, and now you can see this is the preview of our website. It's currently loading and you can see it's ready. So this looks like a really beautiful website. You can see transform your body at Fit Zone. We have like 2,500 active members, 18 plus trainers, 50 plus equipment, 7 years of excellence, and more than a gym. And it automatically added some gym interior images which we can't access, but if we download this code, I think then we can access this. Let me just see, and now you can see this looks amazing. You can see the transformation of your body. It automatically added the hero section image, and if we scroll, you can see we have complete gym images. It just fetched this from internet, but you want to add your own website, on gym images, you can add that too, that I'm going to show you too. And here we have like monthly and yearly subscriptions plan, how gym cost, and we have the trainer complete, like which are the gym trainers. And if we scroll down, we have gym timings, Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, and we can even book a free trial from here. You can see enter your name, phone number, and a preferred plan. Then if we scroll down, we have success stories of real results review, but it automatically even added the profile picture of this person. I think most of the AI doesn't even add these images, but it did. And here you can see we have inside fitness zone complete gallery of our gym, and if we scroll, we have the complete contact us section, address, phone number. This phone number is a dummy phone number, and we have the email. And if we scroll down, we have complete social details and complete section. Now let's say we want to add a logo to this website. We will just go back to Claude and say I want to add, or you can just use voice mode as well. I want to add this image as my gym logo, so it will add that too. I will just send it. It's gonna take like hardly 10 or 15 seconds to upload the logo, but if you see it, the website looks, it's really amazing. You can see the fonts and contact us section, review section, trainers, view plans, everything looks like cool. If you go to some web developer or like a front end developer, it's gonna cost you like easily $100, I think, to create this kind of website. Now let's see if our logo is updated. So it says go to the direct image URL, and I think it's updated. Now we can download it to see. We will just download it, and here you can see we have our gym logo as well. This is the logo that we uploaded. You can customize the images, you can customize any text you want. Just say what you want to change. Like if you want to change this text, meet your trainers, just copy this text and say to Claude that, hey, I want to change this text, replace this with this text, so it will do that for you. Now the next step left is just to host and connect your domain. That's pretty much easy step. You get a couple of videos on YouTube to create, buy and connect your hosting and domain and set it up live. That's pretty much easy part, but main thing is to build the website. So here you can see this is how you can build. I hope you get that, and if you have any doubts in your mind, do let me know in the comment. I will make sure to solve in next videos. And if you want to host this, I can make tutorial on that as well. Just let me know in the comments. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.